Okay, so we're going to start adding some addresses to our database, our new address book database. Actually, I'm going to change the name of this page from data entry. Let's go here. Going to put add contact here now. What I'm also going to do is, hold on, if we look at this page right now, it's got address book written here. I'm going to remove that. So if we go to Dataflex Link Tutorials, we'll have a look at some shortcodes. So we'll go to the reference guide, shortcodes, and we don't want to display the form's title. So we're going to look here, and we're going to grab this bit of the shortcode, and we're going to go and add that into the shortcode here. We'll update that. Let's see how that looks now. We refresh this page, add contact, and it changes to add contact there as well, and we've removed address book. We're connected as test@test.com. I'm going to add a few names and addresses now. Now, you will have seen from previous videos that I made the address mandatory, and I believe a couple of other fields also had postcode. I've removed postcode. I have removed the necessity to make any of these fields mandatory. Let me just show you on the back end. So address, I'm now allowing special characters, which I didn't allow before. Same with name, allowing special characters. Don't want to restrict people on those. And we've got the email address and the phone number. Those will take care of themselves in terms of what characters they allow. So let's add a few names and addresses. So I'm just going to go through this. I'm going to chat while I do this. However, this is going to go through very, very quickly. I'm going to speed this up. I'm just going to see if we can add dashes here, see what happens. Yep, no problem. Okay, so we've added a few names and addresses. So what we can do is go over to My Items, and we can see all the items which we've added. John here has given me his email address, so I'm going to just add that. So we'll edit this. Edit this item, and we're just going to add his email address. And we'll save that. Changes saved. And if we refresh and we click Get My Items again, and we should see that John's email address has now been added. What we can see here is this is spread over 2 pages. So what I'm going to show you is quickly how we can change that to 1 page. So if we go back to editing our database, this is we're going to choose something from the menu called options, and this options list of fields is applicable to every database and every search that we use. So what we're going to do is on the view detail, let's have a look at this. View detail, we've got this here, let's just add a little bit of context to that. We'll say view number of search results per page, let's say 100, and the maximum number of search results will say 1,000, and we'll save that. Okay, in another video I shall go through all of these fields, but for now we've just looked at the search results, and let's have a look to see what they look like. My items, refresh, get my items, and now we can see everything appears on one page. Also, we've got the word view here, so it allows us to see that we can view an item in detail. In the next lesson, what I'll be doing is showing you how to do some searches on our address book.